It is early March 2024. I saw an ad on Instagram for something that looked very familiar to me, and it's called the Stealth Bird 4K. And you probably saw an ad that was similar to this. There are a lot of falsehoods in this ad, I'll say that for sure. And I'm going to reveal everything that's going on with this as soon as I'm done playing it. But let's watch it first.
This $99 military drone is disrupting the entire photography industry, and big brands are trying their hardest to make it illegal in the US. It's so powerful that it can capture stunning photos and videos with DSLR camera quality without the hefty price tag. It was created specifically for the US Special Forces by Captain Adam Scott.
It wasn't.
A 44
and he didn't do anything. Who is that?
And leading engineer.
No.
He and his team were assigned to develop cutting-edge optical equipment for a critical mission in the Middle East. The mission required the Special Forces to capture enemy positions from miles away without ever being detected.
They didn't use this
Research and development.
This cheap drone.
A groundbreaking prototype, and the results were incredible. Celebrated as the most successful military invention in recent years.
It wasn't.
It was the first to ever use the patented MOT military optical technology.
It doesn't.
Meaning it's at least 20 times more powerful than any commercially available drone.
It's definitely not.
Which gives it incredible capabilities. It can literally capture anything from tens of miles away with stunning 4K quality.
I don't think so.
After seeing the incredible potential of this new technology, Adam quickly realized the impact this device could have.
This guy has nothing to do with this, the military guy.
He decided to make this device available to anyone who wants to try it. As the original creator of the technology, he quickly secured all the permissions needed to redevelop the device and ready it for mass production. He called it Stealth Bird.
He didn't.
And it's the most powerful drone ever made. It uses a combination of military-grade nanotechnology and unique materials.
This is all fiction.
Quality and utility of the top drone models, but for a fraction of the price. Adam developed his own software that increases the drone's power and control by 120%, making it so easy to operate that anyone can use it. It's loaded with cutting-edge technology like the Follow Me feature, which lets you take amazing videos of yourself without even touching the controller. The advanced GPS functionality means it can track your location within 900 meters and return to you quickly when experiencing a weak signal or when the battery is low. The collision detection function prevents any accidental crash or damage, making this drone the safest quadcopter ever engineered. And because it's made of the best military materials available, it's virtually indestructible. It's completely waterproof and strong enough to withstand both freezing and scorching hot temperatures.
There are too many lies to keep up with.
This drone is that you can use it for thousands of different purposes. Whether you're excited about turning your social media profile into a viral sensation,
it's not going to happen.
Or you want to capture precious memories with your family.
I mean, sure.
The possibilities with the Stealth Bird are endless. It's also a perfect security tool, allowing you to spot anything from a safe distance. When Adam first launched Stealth Bird, it spread like wildfire in the military community.
It didn't.
What he didn't expect was for everyone to start sharing all over the internet the incredible footage they shot.
A lot of this is stock footage.
After going viral.
From like stock video websites that was not taken with this cheap drone.
Of over 10,000 orders from all around the world. Celebrities, professional photographers, and filmmakers all made the switch to it.
They didn't.
He wants everyone to know about this new technology.
It looks so light, like
so he has since tripled the
slightest gust of wind would take it away.
Discount for anyone who orders it within the next 24 hours. You can get even more discounts by ordering multiple Stealth Birds, making it a perfect gift for anyone.
Yeah.
My advice,
except not
for yourself and more for your friends.
This is an AI voice, by the way, not a real person talking.
Click on the link below this video to visit the official website and order with 50% off.
Okay, so it says here in the caption, and I believe that the photo of the guy is at the very top is, and it's really tiny, I know, is an AI photo. It's a fake photo. It's not even a real person, which is probably a surprise to you. This new U.S. Special Forces invention is taking America by storm. It's a new high-tech drone that offers performance of a top-tier drone at a sub-$100 price tag, and greedy drone companies are trying their hardest to shut it down. None of that's true at all. There's no U.S. Special Forces involvement. This is not a high-tech drone. If you want a good drone, you have to pay money. That's just how it is. You can buy a decent drone for a small amount of money, not like $20, but, you know, 100, $200, you can get an okay drone. But if you want to get a really good drone, you got to spend some money, just like a car. You can't buy a nice car for $1,000. You got to probably put at least $20,000 into it. And that's even for just a normal economy car, right? Something that's new, that's going to run well. $22,000, whatever it is now for the average price of an economy, sort of a car, whatever. And so with a drone, you're going to have to spend a lot of money. And so anyway, I've done a video about this same thing before. What this is, I think this is an Eachine, E-A-C-H-I-N-E, an Eachine E58 drone, which is a cheap drone, but they don't tell you that. They pretend it's this big military secret thing that's just this amazing technology that's somehow brought to the consumer level, and now it's cheap. It's an Eachine E58. It is one of many scams out there, if you want to call it a scam, I guess, that claims that there's this elite product, but it's being brought to the consumer level now, when in reality, it's something you can probably buy for very cheap on Amazon or Temu or Temu or however you say that. And that's the same thing with an electricity saving device that does nothing from Elon Musk, which he has nothing to do with, that they claim Elon Musk has something to do with. The same as a fuel saver that is a little chip thing that goes into your car. It's supposed to save you a bunch of fuel whenever you drive. That doesn't do anything either. There are a lot of different things out there that are these generic products, maybe mass produced in China, that are being brought to the internet with these names like Stealth Bird 4K. That name is just for marketing purposes. And so, when you buy one of those, it looks really great. It might fly. It's great, whatever, but it's not going to be a quality drone. And it has nothing to do with the military. So all that stuff about the military, don't ever believe that sort of a thing. My advice, if you want to buy a drone, do it with a name brand product that you did not find in some weird ad like this that lied to you 1,000 times. Maybe go to a retail store in your town and ask someone in the shop what they recommend. Something that would be sold maybe at Target or Walmart or some big box store, meaning that they back it inside their stores, not just on their website. Walmart.com sells third-party stuff, but in Walmart stores, in Target stores, they sell stuff that they back. Find a drone like that, or go to Amazon and find one from a big name company. Don't find one from a suspect company where you can't find much information about it. And, that's what this is, basically. This is an attempt, I believe, to take a product that doesn't cost a lot, remarket it, rebrand it into this interesting name, Stealth Bird 4K, and sell a bunch of them. And so I'm here to tell you that all the stuff about the military and that guy named Adam and all that is just not true. And they've done this before with other different names for the exact same Eachine E58 drone. And they even mark out the Eachine E58 logo sometimes in the photos so that you don't know what it is, but I figure it out. So that's what this is. I hope that I saved you some time, maybe some money. Hit like down below, comment about this. But if you don't know what to comment, please still comment with your favorite breakfast food. The more comments I receive, the higher my video will show up in Google and YouTube search results, which would be great. Like, comment, and the number one thing you can do, if you do nothing else, please subscribe and hit the bell. The more views my videos get, the more people can watch my videos, the more, value is brought to them, they're more worthwhile for me to make. And then I save more people from these sorts of scams, potential scams. If you want to call this a scam, it's up to you. I'm just covering it as a potential scam, considering the price hike and all the stuff about the military and all that. It is scammy, right? I mean, come on. So that's what I got here. If you have anything else to add, again, the comments are down below. And thank you so much for watching.